So trend with WK, today's topic is array list. So we have discussed in last video array. So this is the part 15. So let's make a project. So this is the array. So we are going to comment here. We are define array using system.collection, the namespace. So you can define here so So why it's holding three values different, it's integer, string and character, because it's a generic type. Array list, it's a generic type, and the array is not generic type because it's also only single data type. So you can write here same for each loop. Can run the program. So you can see here no need to conversion. This is a generic type, integer, string and character value. So this was the array list video. So if you haven't watched previous videos, please watch and make concepts of basic fundamentals of programming. So this was the video.